Hi, everybody. This is Ahmad Jite. That's my name. That's my small recording, and just to demonstrate, it's going to be very brief. This is my program. As you can see, I have 3004A3, and these are my header files. And then you have my source files, and then you have my view. So the first thing I'm going to do is to make sure I build this quickly. Let me build all the projects. All the projects are built, as you can see, or they're building. That works. That's the first thing. Now I can go ahead and run my program, and this is my panel actually. Not the best one, but then like you said, we have two elevators. Elevator level 1, this is elevator 1, this is elevator 2. So I have different buttons. I can call elevator. If I want the elevator, I can call this elevator button. I can press this button now. This is select elevator. So we have two elevators in this case. I can choose elevator 0. In this case, it's talking about this elevator 1. And as you can see, these two here are the two different elevators. I'm sure they are either open or closed. So we can select floor as well. We have from floor 1 to floor 0 to 5. So that 0 to 4, that is 5 different floors. And we have excuse me, different passengers. So I can choose, let's say, select elevator. Right now I have elevator 0, and that is this elevator, which is labeled, it's a bit wrong, but labeled elevator uh, 1 label. So I am trying to call, I am at floor 0. So when I call, I'm currently at floor 0 as a passenger. When I called, excuse me, something actually is happening in the background here in the panel. We'll see that later. If I want to go to elevator number 1, or if I'm at elevator number 1, I press where I am, I call the elevator, it will come and find me at elevator number 1. Now, if I get to elevator, this elevator has now come. I'm now at elevator number 1. This is elevator 0 walking. This is dealing with elevator 0. This is elevator 0, sorry. So I'm at floor 1. So I'm now at floor 1. If I call the elevator now, elevator goes to floor 1. Now that I'm at floor 1, if I am manually moving up. I can move up. So this is move down. I press the button, and the button is telling me that you are going down. So this one is the one that you press. You are going up. Now I'm going to the last floor. So this is what happens if there is an emergency. This elevator, again, this elevator is open. Now, if there's an emergency, if I press the button, it says emergency mode activated for elevator 0. The same thing applies. You can choose elevator 1, and you can do, as I've said, you can do the same thing. You call. When you call in elevator 1, you are at floor 1. You can go to floor 0. If you call this elevator, it will actually be going to floor 0. So move up, you can go up. Move down, you go down. So when you look at these two, they are both open, and they are open because if you click this emergency, elevators will also stay open. So basically, not the best, but I have worked on this panel, main window, and as you can see, I closed the program. What I'm talking about is all that I've been dealing with on the panel here. So you look at this the UIs. You have elevator 0 was the one we are dealing with, already open. Floor, you have moving to floor 1, is currently at floor 1. The door is open, passenger is gone, so the elevator door is open. When we looked at the elevator 0, now we came to elevator 1, moving to floor 1, is currently at floor 1. The door is open at floor 1, door is open at floor 0. So the elevator 1 stopped with the doors open. This was when emergency happened. So basically, this is what I have. Not the best time constraints, but this is basically what I have, and these are all the codes that we have um, with them. Thank you so much, and that's Ahmad Jide for 3004. Thank you once again.